Hey, I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 569. I'm always on the hunt for impressive technology to share with you guys, but it's rare that I get to try something that blows my mind. Today, I experienced just that kind of thing. I told you about it yesterday. It's an iPhone app called DSLR Remote that will soon be available for sale in the App Store. It makes it possible to control several Canon EOS digital SLRs. Let me show you. After installing the DSLR Remote on my iPhone and installing the Remote Server application on a Mac, I attached a 5D Mark II to the Mac via USB. I'm turning on the camera and launching the server app. It sees the Canon, so I click the Choose button and select a folder on the Mac where I want to save my photos. Now I fire up the DSLR Remote app on the iPhone. The Mac Pro shows up in my list of camera servers. That's it. Now I'm set to shoot. The iPhone screen is split into two parts. The top is where I see images, including a live video stream of what the camera sees through the lens. To access live view, I just have to hold down the fire button until the other options appear. Once I hit the Start Live button, the video stream starts flowing to my iPhone screen. This is a beautiful thing. It kind of leaves me breathless. Now I can change the shutter speed, I can adjust the aperture, I can change white balance settings, I can change the image quality, how images are stored. Whatever I can change on the camera, pretty much I can change from DSLR Remote. And now the best part. I click fire and the camera takes a picture. I then get a view of the image I just took and I can flip through my images just like in the photo app. I'll upload these photos to callie.smugmug.com. The company that created DSLR Remote is On1 Software, on1software.com. Their primary business is building plugins for Photoshop. Most guys on the team are Canon shooters and several of them have iPhones. They thought it would be cool if they could control their cameras from their phones, so they built the app. Like I said yesterday, if this version of the app is well received, they'll build a version for Nikon shooters. Guys, if you see this, go ahead and get started on the Nikon version. People are gonna want it, and it's well worth $20. Now, one more thing. Hulu just released a free desktop app for PCs and Macs. It allows you to control your Hulu viewing experience with a Windows Media Center remote or an Apple remote. You can also control it with a keyboard. If you like your job, don't install it on a work computer because it is addictive. The download link is at hulu.com/labs/Hulu-desktop. Thanks for watching. I'm Callie Lewis. I love this thing.